Hello everyone. So an unusual video for me in the moment. I am going to sing in a second, but I don't sing. I'm going to step outside my comfort zone and do something very uncharacteristic of me. I sing with my guitar in the quiet of my house because I sound like a cow. So, you know, we're just going to we're going to breeze on through that, but I feel led to do this right now. At 6:56 p.m. around about there, 6:56 to 7 p.m. tonight, Eastern Standard Time. It is currently Monday, August the 23rd, the day after the full moon. In the evening, I felt this massive wave of energy come over me. And the massive wave of energy made my heart chakra explode. And as that happened, as this explosion of energy came from my heart chakra, I heard Phil Collins, a song I haven't heard in probably 2-3 decades maybe. And the song by Phil Collins, I couldn't even remember it was Phil Collins. I had to look it up. The lyrics are in front of me right now. So if I look down to get the lyrics so that you can hear what it was that I was hearing in my head, just go with it. So there was this heart explosion of energy. I felt happiness, I felt love, I felt joy, I felt passion, I felt appreciation. You know, I felt warmth. Now I feel like I need to cry. It was just so intense. And then I heard, hold on, let me get some water. We need to prepare for this one. And I heard, of course I lose my voice now, right? And I heard, and I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord. And I was literally bopping like I am now, right? Like just a little bounce. Feeling the energy just like flowing from the heart chakra to the crown chakra, just like, ah. And then it says, again, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, well, I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, well, I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time, the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you kept the silence up. No, you don't fool me. The hurt doesn't show, but the pain still grows. It's no stranger to you and me. Well, I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord. All right, my dears, we're taking some cards. Wonder Twin Powers, activate. All right, my darlings, you've been getting this message for the last week. Hopefully my experiencing an intensity of energy tonight will be of help to you and your journey. All right, let me just center. I am feeling nauseated energy, like the butterflies in my stomach, and I am feeling this massive heart explosion. All right. Let's see. My eyes are flipping. My spirit guides are like massively, okay, so whatever this card is, my spirit guides, I don't know, do you guys know that sometimes when my spirit guides are working with me, my eyes flutter? Like my eyes will flutter, they'll like move all around. Sometimes they roll back in my head. You know, it's kind of a little bit weird, but 10 of Wands. There's that message about packing a bag. Somebody's packed a bag. Or should be packing a bag. Either or, you know, could be anything. Hold on. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Somebody's afraid to express themselves. Maybe somebody's afraid to show that they feel, to show that they care. The lyrics literally said, I know the reason why you keep the silence up. No, you don't fool me. It's like fear. And fear and pain. Pain of the past hurts. Pain of experiencing it again, right? 8 of Cups. Somebody's on the move, baby. On the move. To express how they feel. Unfortunately, that's a future energy. So how far into the future, we don't know. But look, it's the heart explosion. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh. It's literally, okay. I'm surprised this is not the King and Queen of Cups. This page has had a heart explosion. The King has had a heart explosion. So this particular person who maybe felt that they only had slight feelings, suddenly there's a heart explosion. And then I felt the heart explosion. So Five of Cups. All right. I know, I'm like giggly now. 5 of Cups, 3 of Coins. There's the passion. I told you I felt a range of emotions all at once. Admiration, love, unconditional love, passion, appreciation. There's the passion. Some sort of decision, verdict, decisions being made. We have a reconciliation on the bottom, but I want to take one more card. Look. Look, 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 look at the happiness. It's like, I surrender, Spirit. I feel it coming in the air tonight. You can feel it in your bones. You can feel it in your heart. You can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel it. That's energy so strong. Look at the energy coming down to this person receiving what is receiving what is exploding in the heart here, right? There's the admiration. Here's the admiration. The explosion of energy. Receiving the energy, 2 people receiving the energy from a distance. Happiness, victory, success in love. I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. 7 of Cups. 2 of Cups. Trying to figure out how to move towards this. And look at, it's like the energy is it's melding together. Look at 2 people putting off that energy of love and connection. When these 2 people get to experience, again, based on the lyrics, being in each other's presence, the energy between the 2 of them is going to be incredible and incredibly strong. All right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm gonna go upload this right now. Y'all be gentle with me about my crazy singing, and love y'all. This appears to be related to all those other messages I was getting. So if the messages that I've been getting in the last weekend have been resonating with you, home sweet home, all that stuff, yeah, pay attention to this. Love and light. Big hug from Kimmy. Kiss, kiss. Bye.